Hello students, myself Vineet Kumar. I'm assistant professor in Galgotias University in the Department of Mass Communication. Today I'm going to discuss the course code BAJC 3017, which is Specialized Reporting in Mobile Journalism. Today I'm going to discuss the topic photo shooting and editing. So let's start. So the objective of this course are keep the student in the so what is photography? So basically photography is art of capturing images. Okay, so that means you are capturing the real event incident through your camera. But for that, for capturing a perfect image, you need some basic skills. So here I mentioned some basic skills. For example, first you need focus, second is manual setting, third is angle, fourth is timing, and the fifth one is lighting. So we will discuss all these 5 elements of photography in our previous slides. So the first element you need for photography is focus. Okay, basically what is focus? So making a photograph sharper, clear, you need to focus it. Okay, so in camera, focus in photography is a process of making adjustment to the lens to find the maximum resolution, sharpness, and the contrast of the chosen subject. Okay, that means by adjusting your camera lenses in mobile phone, it is automatically adjust by manually by clicking on the place where you want to focus. So in camera you get the touch screen, so you can touch the area where you want to focus. That means you want that area sharper, clear, and the higher resolution. Okay, so focus is very important in photography. If you are not aware about the focus, the pictures you will click may be blur, and the impact of that photograph is very less, or that photograph is not applicable. So that is very dull photograph. So before clicking any photograph, it's better to focus your subject. Before clicking photograph, you have to focus your subject. So the next thing is manual settings. Before capturing any image, it's better to understand the manual settings of your camera. So what is manual setting and what is auto setting? Auto settings means your camera adjusts everything according to the situation, according to the light. But in manual settings, you have rights, you can change the things according to your need. So there is according to light and situation, here is according to your need, means which kind of photography you want to do, which kind of photography you want to click. So in manual mode, you have control over the aperture, over the shutter speed, okay, so and over the ISO. So you can control aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, and you can capture the things you want to capture according to your need. So manual mode setting is very important before capturing any image. So the next thing is angle. Okay, in photography, angles plays a very important role. Okay, if you click any image or if you click any photograph from a different angle, that means from back side or from side faces, that the impact of that photograph is not that much you want to show. So for that you have to click every photograph from the eye level. That means from the eye level angle. That means the front of your subject. So in that case, that subject is clear and your audience can understand what is happening. So the main purpose of this angle is to tell your audience what you are capturing. That means what is happening there, which you are reporting. Okay. So here is the most important thing in journalism, in photography, which is timing. If you miss by a second, the situation will be changed. So it's better to click the shot on the perfect time. For example, you can understand with the situation. If two delegates are shaking hands. Okay, so the duration of shaking hands are minimum 2 to 3 seconds, 5 seconds. But if you are not aware about your camera, if you are not aware of the timing, you will not going to get that image. You waste your time in adjusting the settings of the camera. So it's better to adjust your camera, put your finger on shutter and click that image on the correct time. Okay, so timing is a very important part of a photography and photojournalism. So when you are using mobile phone, be ready with your finger on shutter. The next thing is lighting. You know that photography all about depends on lighting. If the lighting is sufficient, if the lighting is correct, you will get a perfect photograph. Okay, so before capturing any image, it's important to understand what intensity of light you are getting. If you are not getting the proper intensity of light, you can use artificial lights, or you can move your subject in a lighter place so that you can capture a better photograph, or you can use flash as an artificial light. So now we are moving towards the editing. So after capturing an image, the next stage is editing. Why you need editing? Okay, so editing is basically needed when due to some small mistakes, your photograph is not proper or appropriate. So for removing that small mistakes, you can use editing. For example, if your composition is not good, if some unwanted things are there in your photograph, you can use editing and you can crop that photograph. If maybe due to any reason the color of that image is not that good, so you can use editing tools and software, and you can enhance the saturation of that image, so that will provide you good color. If maybe there is very dull kind of things in your image, so you can use contrast and you can differentiate between the black and white situation or the color variations. So you can use editing to modify it, to enhance your photograph. Basically editing is done to improve the quality, improve the impact of your photograph. Okay, so let's quick recap what we learn in this presentation or in this lecture. First, we learn what is photography, what is the importance of focus, manual setting, angle, timing, lighting, and what is the role of editing in photography and in mobile journalism. So when we are using mobile phone for journalism, that is called mobile journalism, and photograph is a part of journalism. You can aware about the photojournalism. So when you are clicking any photograph, you need to know about all these topics which I discussed in this lecture. Student, if you need more information about this photography, you can visit this website. Here you will get more tips about the photography, how to make your photography better, how to compose your photographs. So you can refer this link for more information. So thank you so much, students. Myself Vineet Kumar, and this is my email address. Hope you understand what we learn in this lecture. If you have any doubt, you can mail me on this given email ID, and I'm going to also make few more videos on mobile journalism. So be in touch with me, and we will discuss more things about this mobile journalism. Thank you.